Okay, so today I'm here in this diagram in the classroom. Just going to be talking about how the AC system works. This AC system is very similar to a lot of refrigeration systems, but they all have pretty much basic components, the same ones. I'm just going to go ahead and describe them here. First, you'll have the compressor. This will compress the low pressure vapor into high pressure vapor. It'll send it all the way through to the condenser. This usually sits in the front of the vehicle, and it's where the outside air is able to absorb the heat from the vapor that's inside, and that's when it absorbs the heat from the outside, it converts the vapor into a liquid. Afterwards, you have this is an accumulator. Actually, not every vehicle has one of these. This accumulator, all its purpose is to simply store potential energy. That way, you don't have to wait for the compressor to compress the vapor. You would pretty much have it ready here and just able to turn on your AC and have it ready whenever you need it. Not every vehicle has it though, but here afterwards we do have an air dryer. This is very important. This is a desiccant. This is just to absorb moisture inside the system, any contaminants as well. Afterwards, you can't really see it, but there's a thermostatic expansion valve. This is what's going to separate the high pressure from the low pressure. After that TXV, you're going to have the evaporator. This is where the warm air from the inside of the cab is going to be passed through, and this evaporator is going to absorb the heat. And also, only cold air is blown on the opposite side, or air without heat, because simply put, cold is just a lack of heat. So when this absorbs the heat from the air that comes out to the other side is going to be cold. So that low pressure is going to continue, and it's going to go all the way right back to the compressor, where it'll be compressed once again, so to begin the process all over. Secondly, I'd just like to add that this system is very similar to what you'll find in your home AC, inside your refrigerator as well, and in reefer units. The only difference is that some of them are going to have different refrigerant types. Others will have other components, just like this accumulator here. It's not found in every vehicle. And a reefer unit, it's going to have a three-way valve, which is what's going to direct the flow of the refrigerant, because sometimes inside of a reefer, you're going to want to have warmer temperatures inside the unit than outside. So what that will do is it will direct the flow of refrigerant in the opposite direction. That way it's able to absorb heat from the outside environment and take it into the interior of the unit, where it will be released through the evaporator. It's